Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little different. I'm going to be making a cute little boo box. I got this idea while I was at the Dollar Tree and I found the clear coffins that are so cute. I'm going to show you how it turned out. But I suggest you guys go now and look for them because these run out so quick. So you're just gonna grab a couple of things from the Dollar Tree. Everything I have is from there. I got this white tissue paper thingy. Then I just stick it in the coffin. I also got these super cute scrunchies. These are like my three favorite colors together. And you guys can do whatever you guys want. This is just what I decided to get. I got this serum. These are really popular right now. And it fit perfectly in there. Then I got this lip liner by LA Colors. I just thought it was really cute. It has two colors, I believe, and a pencil sharpener. So I'm just sticking that in there. And then lastly, I grabbed this baggie of pink kisses. I just thought they were so cute. So I'm just gonna grab a couple of them and stick them in there. Lastly, I'm going to close my coffin, and this box is so freaking cute. I think it matches the ghost behind me, like the iridescent look, which I love. And for the last touch, I wanted to add a bow to close it with, but I didn't have ribbon, so I just used some yarn that I had in my stash. And I think it looked really cute. You can also do like a little tag. You print it out or whatever you want to do, but this is what I came up with. And I hope this tutorial will help you guys and gives you some ideas. If you like Halloween like I do, I think it's the perfect excuse to make something cute and give to your loved ones. If you like videos like this, let me know in the comments so I can make more of these. I like to make a lot of things other than crochet patterns, which is why I changed my YouTube name to Laura Makes, because I kind of like to make a lot of other stuff. But yeah, let me know in the comments and I will see you on my next video. Bye.